Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about how can add some of the delete method and how can delete individually all that your object data, right? Now in this video, I want to solve one of the error. If you go to I refresh this page in from to the particular page, if you now go to that inspect, into the inspect, if you go to that console, and into this console there have one of the warning: each child in a list should have a unique key props. Okay, so it's now actually recommended to make your all that props data as a one of the unique key. Okay, it's actually expecting some of the unique key. Like if you go our object into this object area, like that is one of the object, there is also another one, there is also another one. I name everything with the same name, right? So now it's actually suggested to make some of the key as a unique key. Okay, like I want to do, if you want to solve it, simply added some of the ID for individual this object. I pass one of the ID as a one ID. Okay, I pass as a one ID, and for this I want to add another ID as a two ID. Okay, I want to, that's not important, but if you some of the time a lot of the students ask me about it, why they have some of the errors. So now that is a simple things. Now I want to add another ID as a 3 ID. Okay, now that is our three of this object indexing data. So I pass some of the ID as a 1 ID, 2 ID, and then 3 ID. And now in our map, okay, because here we have loaded our property, that is component, as a book component, right? So into this book component, I want to pass another props with the key. Okay, so with this key, because it's actually suggested some of the key, you can see there is a key as a prop. So I want to pass one of the props with the key, and here I want to pass our ID. That means that is our book, because right now we are into the which things. Right now we are into the map. I have already get all that our books data. I have already get this data, take the things with the variable, and here I take another variable. So that is our book is states a map. I name it with the book. So right now our all that object data, we have to access this book, right? You can see before I use that as a book, with this book I use that as a book name, with this book I use that as a writer. So now with this book I want to access our ID. So here that is actually I name this or another property as ID. So I just want to do and to access it. So into the book area I simply pass this ID. Okay, so now if you want to check it, click as a save all, and now go there. Now refresh it. Yes, now you can see our this error is now totally gone. Okay, I hope it's very clear, and our every functionality is working. You can see, click it, it's totally gone. Refresh it, click it, it's gone. Great. Okay friend, so how can solve this type of one of the error? I hope it's now very much clear to you. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.